Hey, you made it. You actually stopped and chose yourself. Your skin has been feeling a little tired lately, a little congested, a little dull. Maybe you've been touching your face and wondering when it will just feel clean again. I hear you. And tonight we're going to take care of all of that. Together. Slowly. Gently. This is your space. Your time. There is absolutely nowhere else you need to be right now. Before we begin, I just want you to settle in for a moment. Take a deep breath in with me. Slowly, through your nose, and let it go all the way out, through your mouth. One more time, in and out. Good. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel the tension in your jaw just soften. You don't have to hold anything right now. Your skin is about to be seen and cared for and loved, and so are you. Whenever you're ready, let's begin. Tonight we're going through a full deep pore cleansing ritual. Every single step has been chosen with care to help your skin breathe again, to clear away whatever has been sitting inside those pores, and to leave you feeling absolutely luminous. We'll start by melting everything away with an oil cleanser. Then we'll foam away the last traces. We'll let warm steam open everything up. We'll do some very gentle, very satisfying extractions. And then we'll soothe, hydrate, and seal your skin with the softest layers of care. Every step is slow. Every step is intentional. And you don't have to rush a single moment of this. Step 1, oil cleanser. We start with the oil cleanser because your skin deserves a first touch that feels like nothing but warmth. I'm pressing a generous amount into my palms and just look at the way it moves, so slow, so silky, so luxurious now. I'm bringing it up to the face and just letting it land. No pressure yet, just warmth, just presence. Now, slowly, in gentle circular motions, the oil begins to melt everything, every trace of sunscreen, every bit of makeup, every layer of the day that you've been carrying on your skin. Can you feel how it just dissolves? That's the oil doing its work, breaking down everything that doesn't belong anymore. And your pores, they're sighing with relief. Keep going, slow circles along the cheeks, soft strokes down the nose, gentle press along the chin. There is something so deeply satisfying about watching all of that. Just lift away, you are already lighter. A little warm water to emulsify, and the oil turns milky white and rinses clean. Step 2, foam cleanser, and now, the foam cleanser. Oh, look at that. Like the softest little cloud. I'm pressing it onto the face so gently. Barely any pressure at all. Just letting those tiny bubbles kiss the surface of the skin. You can almost hear it. That soft, quiet whisper of the foam moving across your cheeks, your forehead, the sides of your nose. This is the second cleanse. The first cleanse took away the surface. This one goes a little deeper, coaxing out whatever is still clinging to your pores, still so gentle, still so kind. And now we rinse with warm water, soft handful, until every last trace of foam is gone and your skin feels perfectly clean. Pat dry, never rub. Just press the softest towel against your skin, once, twice, and let it absorb the water without taking anything else with it. Step 3, steam now. The steam. This is one of my favorite parts. I want you to close your eyes for this one. Imagine leaning over that warmth and just letting it wrap around your face like a hug, like the gentlest, warmest embrace. The steam is doing something remarkable right now. It's gently warming your pores, coaxing them to soften, to open, to finally let go of what they've been holding. Breathe it in slowly. Let that warmth travel through every breath, and feel your face just melt into the moment. 2 minutes, that's all. Just 2 soft, unhurried minutes of this quiet warmth. Your skin is ready now. It has been listened to. It has been prepared, and it is ready to release. Step 4, extractions, and now, the part your skin has been waiting for, the extractions. I want you to know we do this with the utmost care. No digging, no harsh pressure, just soft, intentional, gentle release. I'm starting on the nose, the most satisfying place to begin. You can already see those tiny soft plugs sitting right at the surface. The steam has done its work, they are ready. I'm wrapping my fingers in soft tissue and placing them on either side of the pore, no nails, just the pads of my fingers. And now, the gentlest, most patient squeeze, there it is, that soft, almost silent release. A tiny thread of congestion, just sliding out, clean, satisfying, gone. That pore has been holding that for, and now it's free. Moving to the next one, fingers repositioned, and again that slow, even pressure, hold, and release, one by one, patient and unhurried. Each tiny extraction is a small act of care. A small act of love for your skin. Along the sides of the nose now, those deeper ones that always seem to hold the most. Soft pressure from one side. Soft pressure from the other, leaning in, gently, and there it comes, a clean, smooth release. And the skin just exhales. We move across the chin now, those stubborn little clusters that always seem to hide. The steam has softened them beautifully. Each one gives way with barely any effort at all. Soft squeeze, slow exhale, release, over and over, like a quiet rhythm, like breathing itself. The forehead last, the pores here are smaller, more delicate, so we are even gentler here, just a whisper of pressure, just the faintest encouragement. And now, we step back, we look at the skin, and we see it cleared, opened, freed. That feeling of before and after, there is nothing quite like it. Step 5, toner. Now we calm the skin. We close those pores back down, we restore balance. The toner goes on first, and it is so cooling, so refreshing. like the feeling of a soft breeze on warm skin. I'm tapping it in with my fingertips, tap, 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 all across the cheeks, tap, tap, along the forehead, tap, tap, down the chin and neck. Feel the coolness settle in. Feel the skin start to calm. The redness is already beginning to quiet down. The pores are gently closing. You are already glowing. Step 6. Serum. A few drops of serum now. And the way this feels on freshly cleansed skin, there are no words. Pure concentrated hydration. Pure silkiness. Pressing it in gently with both palms, warming it against the skin, letting it absorb into every single pore we just cleared. This is the moment your skin drinks. And after everything we just did, it is so, so thirsty. Just press and hold. Press and hold. Let it sink in fully before we move on. Step 7. Mask, and now we rest. The mask goes on in long, soothing strokes. You can feel the brush barely grazing the surface of the skin. So light, so slow, covering every inch in the soft, cooling layer. And then we wait. 10 minutes of stillness, of quiet, of just letting the mask do what it was made to do. Close your eyes if you want to. Let your breathing stay slow. Let the mask tighten gently against your skin. Let everything else fall away. This is the most important part of the routine that nobody talks about. The rest, the stillness, the permission to just be. Rinsing now, warm water, soft hands, until every trace of the mask is gone and the skin beneath is perfectly smooth. Thank you for watching.